Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale tactics. First, you'll learn to understand your cards' roles and their elixir costs, which is crucial for building a strong deck. We'll also cover how to effectively counter your opponent's pushes and manage your elixir throughout the match. Proper troop placement is key to maximizing both your offense and defense, so we'll dive into that too. Get ready to elevate your game. Building a strong deck is your foundation for victory. Aim for a balanced mix of offensive and defensive cards, ensuring you have answers for various threats. Always include a clear win condition card, like a Hog Rider or Golem, to consistently target and damage enemy towers. Keep your average elixir cost between 3.0 and 4.5 for smooth rotations. Finally, look for strong card synergies to create devastating combos. Once in battle, keen observation is vital. Pay close attention to your opponent's elixir bar and their card rotation to anticipate their next moves. Defend proactively by placing your troops strategically to counter incoming attacks before they reach your tower. After a successful defense, immediately launch a counter push to apply pressure and force your opponent to react. Remember to use your spells wisely, whether clearing swarms or finishing off a low-health tower. To truly master Clash Royale, delve into advanced tactics. Study common card interactions to understand optimal counterplays for every situation. Don't stick to just one deck. Practice various archetypes to broaden your strategic understanding and adaptability. Regularly watch your battle replays to pinpoint mistakes and learn from them. Joining a clan is also fantastic for friendly battles, sharing strategies, and growing with other players. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.